Ever sent money on Venmo and realized you sent it to the wrong person? Or maybe you're owed money and the payment's stuck in limbo. You're not alone. Recovering money on Venmo can sometimes feel like a mission impossible, but fear not, because in this video, we're breaking down exactly how to get your money back. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. The easiest way to get your money back is usually through a cancel or undo option. If you just sent money and immediately realized your mistake, look for a cancel button within the recent transactions section. It's usually available for a short window after sending the payment. If the cancel option has expired, don't panic. Venmo offers a dispute feature. This is your go-to for situations like accidental payments, you sent money to the wrong person or the wrong amount. Unauthorized transactions, someone used your account without your permission. Goods or services not received, you paid for something but never got it. Before you file a dispute, try to resolve the issue directly with the recipient. A friendly message or phone call often works wonders. If that doesn't work, here's how to file a dispute within the Venmo app. Find the transaction, go to your Activity tab and locate the payment you want to dispute. Tap the three dots, you will usually find them next to the transaction. Select Dispute from the menu. Choose the reason for the dispute, select the option that best fits your situation, e.g., did not receive goods or services. Provide details, explain the situation clearly and concisely. Include any relevant evidence, such as screenshots of conversations or order confirmations. Submit your dispute, Venmo will review your claim and investigate the issue. Important note, disputes can take some time to resolve. Venmo will investigate the claim and may contact both parties involved. Be patient and cooperate with their investigation. Now, let's talk about some common scenarios and how to handle them. Accidental payments to the wrong person. If the recipient is responsive, explain the mistake and politely request a refund. If the recipient is unresponsive, file a dispute, clearly explaining the accidental nature of the payment. Goods or services not received. Contact the seller. Try to resolve the issue directly with the seller before filing a dispute. Gather evidence. Keep records of all communication with the seller, including screenshots of conversations and order confirmations. File a dispute. If you can't reach a resolution with the seller, file a dispute with Venmo. Unauthorized transactions. Change your password immediately. Protect your account by creating a strong, unique password. Review recent activity. Check for any suspicious transactions you don't recognize. Report the issue. Contact Venmo customer support immediately to report the unauthorized activity. Tips for a successful dispute. Be polite and professional. Maintain a respectful tone throughout the process, even if you're frustrated. Provide clear and concise information. Be specific about the issue and provide any supporting evidence. Respond promptly to Venmo's requests. Cooperate with the investigation and respond to any requests for information in a timely manner. Understand Venmo's policies. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's user agreement and dispute resolution policy to understand their terms and conditions. What happens if a dispute is denied? Unfortunately, not all disputes are successful. If your dispute is denied, you may have limited options. You could try to escalate the issue with Venmo customer support, but keep in mind that their decision is usually final. Important disclaimer. This video provides general information and guidance on recovering money from Venmo. It is not intended as legal advice. Venmo's policies and procedures can change, so always refer to their official website and user agreement for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.